Hello and welcome to another PHP tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn about multi-level inheritance. So to make things easy, what I've done over here is I created a class called grandfather, which only has one function which returns a value age is 80. Then I have a function fh inside father, which is the child of grandfather, which returns age is 50. Then I have a class called son, which is a child of father, which returns a value in a function sh, age is 20. So these are the three classes. Son is a child of father, and father is a child of grandfather. Then we have a function over here called family history. The family history function is part of a child called son. Now, when son needs to make a call to sh, which is the local method, he can make a reference of this, which is the current instance who calls family history, which would be, if I scroll down in the main, down below in the main message call, I have an instance of type son called son, which is making a call to family history. So this refers to the son object, which is making a call to family history. But son can make a call to the parent method fh until and unless I use a scope resolution operator and make a reference of parent. Scope resolution operator and make a reference of parent. Just like the current instance of son type called son can make a call to a parent method fh, we'll use the same parent and scope resolution to make a call to the one in the grandparent. So this is extremely important in PHP to know that even when things are not overridden, going up the level in inheritance and making call in the methods in the grandparent would require you to use a syntax like this. Hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.